December is always an interesting month in real estate. A lot of folks would expect for the market to be down and low because of winter. This month we saw an interesting stat in average sales price. So we're going to jump into the Kent County market update for December 2023. Make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to talk about how to benefit from this December's market update in 2024 when you're selling and buying property. Let's get to it. First and foremost, we're going to go to new listings. This is an interesting stat. So in 2022 December, which was a year ago, we saw 300 new listings come to the market. 2023, 260. That's a negative change of 13.3%. It's interesting because interest rates are starting to go or decrease. We saw a major increase this year, and that the real estate market will move in 3-month cycles. So whatever happens this month, we're looking 3 months past. And I think that's why it's really interesting to pay attention to the market as we walk into 2024. Closed sales. So last year, just following the new listings, we saw closed sales of 454 closed sales in 2022 December, 409 this month. That's a negative change of 10%. I think that follows suit with new listings. Lack of inventory is why that happens there. Days on market until sale. So we saw 22 days on average in 2022, 26 this year. That's a change of 20%. We're seeing an increase in days on the market. So you have higher interest rates, which means that properties will stay on the market for a longer amount of time. That's important to pay attention to as you walk into your buying process and your listing process when you're selling a home. Month supply of inventory. So last year we saw 0.9 month supply of inventory. If no one else put their house on the market, we would run out of homes with the amount of buyers we have in about 0.9 months or basically a month. This year it's 0.7 and that's a negative change of 22%. It's going to take us 3/4 of a month to sell a property or run out of properties, sell them in this market with the amount of buyers we have. Last year it would have took us a whole month. That's important to know. The most important number here, in my opinion, is average sales price. Daryl, what can I get for my place on average in Kent County? And this is why you want to stay with the video. On average, last year we saw an average sales price of $302,000 in 2022 in December. This year is $365,000, and that's an increase of 20%. So if you bought a home on average in 2022 in December, you were paying $300,000. If you buy a home this year, you're at $370,000, and that's huge because when you're selling a property, you're wondering, will I get the value that I got out of this place? Or when you're buying in a market that has high interest rates, you're wondering, will my investment increase and appreciate? So when you're walking into 2024, you have to understand that we're seeing lack of inventory, and when you win in terms of buying a property, win in a multiple offer situation, and you have to overpay for a property, understand that your holding period is what will assist you in seeing an increase in appreciation. So buying a property last year in December, $300,000, this year is $365,000. That's super important walking into your market. At the end of the day, it's important to have a strategic plan. A lot of folks look at the Kent County market update as just numbers, but that's not it. You want to make sure that you know how to buy, sell, and invest in real estate and build wealth in our market. That's why we come to you every month with interesting information, data, and real estate tips. My name is Daryl Matthews, and when you need a team that you know, like, and trust in this real estate market, reach out to us directly. Look forward to talking to you.